Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Man, Enugu will come out and say, no, it's not my brother. When you are saying something like that, then Yoruba man or Hausa man that is beside you will be happy. Say, yes, they have gotten what they want. So instead of talking about all these things, let's forget about you are Enugu, you are Calabar, you are this one. Let's join our hand together and make things real so that these people will believe that our voice are one. That is what I have to say. Let all of us come together. This thing that is happening in Igbo land, it cannot happen to Yoruba man. It cannot happen to Hausa man. But because it's an Igbo man, because it's an Igbo man, that is why everything, and so our leaders also sell us off. Okay, if this thing happening to, let me just say, it's Yoruba man in the east that this thing is happening to, will you tell me that their governor will not say anything? Will you tell me that their senate will not say anything? So up till now, none of them are saying anything. None of them are saying anything to show you that they have sell off for all of us off. So if we want to die, let us die all. So I don't know how somebody like me now will come out and be proud that I say I'm Igbo man. Because I see that everything has gone off. Nobody will talk. If you talk, they will kill you. If you talk, they say you are a poor man. You do what are you? What do you know? And the people that we are hoping on cannot talk. And the poor masses in the streets. If the people that we are hoping cannot talk, is it the poor masses in the streets? So I don't know where we are heading to. Please, we need to come together and speak one voice, one word, so that the world will hear us. Not that these people will say this one, these people will say, brother, we are attacking his brother, sister, we are attacking his sister, and we want to achieve the same goal. Why can't you humble yourself and listen to him, even though the person is making mistake? You have to call him and say, brother, do it this way, do it this way. That is how to correct somebody. Not by fighting, not by, he did not get it, he don't suppose, you are stupid. Is it because you are, that kind of thing. It's not making sense. That is anywhere you go to, there is complaint appear as an Igbo man, Igbo this one, Igbo that one. And sometimes when the people are saying that, I will just fold my hands. What have you committed? What have you committed? Anywhere you enter, they say Igbo. I remember when I was in North, I spent good 11, 12 years in North. I discovered a lot of things, my eye open. I said, what? These people hate us to this level? I started asking myself, am I sure that I'm a Nigerian? If a Yoruba man will do something, he will go free. If a Hausa man will come in, he will go for. But if an Igbo man eventually commits a little thing, you see everybody will be complaining, Igbo. So I don't know what is happening. Let us come together and speak one voice. Okay, look at our brother Mazen Nandokal has been in prison for how many years now? Nobody's talking about it. Everybody just kept silent doing their business. All we want to know is business. Why things are spoiling on the ground? Things are going wrong. People don't want to say anything. Yeah. So my brother, I so much appreciate what you are doing. I've been following you all this while. I so much love you. The way anytime that I'm watching you, I feel happy. I say this is the kind of person I like to be as a brother to, because the things that you are doing, that you are showing, always touch me because you have a good heart. It's not everybody that can do what you are doing. And may God Almighty continue to guide you, to protect you, to give you more wisdom and knowledge to enlighten us more. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. God bless you, one now. God bless you, brother. It's not be only Igbo people who come here. Anybody, if you're from Benin, you are from anywhere, you can come and voice your opinion. This is not about Igbo. Benin, whether you be Benin, whether you're from Port Harcourt, or whether you're from Ikwere, whether you're from Calabar, now all of us see the effect. Whether you like it or not. From that side go, all of una na Yamini. Na Yamini una be. From Ondo downward. All of them are Ofe Manu. All of them are Ofe Manu. Yoruba, all of them are Ofe Manu from there downward. You feel me? Now, so they divide us. And you know, this my brother, we just talk now. He talk about, say, when Igbo man do something, they you see, the forefathers of other tribes, they have created that hatred between us after independent or before independent. The love is not there. We are of different culture. We are just managing ourselves. You see, make I tell you now something. Before I bring another person come, you see this phone as today so. Now manager the manager. You see this one when they take watch me so. Not be manager the manager. I feel dash somebody this phone now. If I see person where I go dash this phone, I go just come out the SIM and say, bye bye, take. Because the phone, I'm managing it. I've used it for 4 years or more than that. I got another phone way there for house where go represent this one. But I'm just managing this one. I define when this phone go die, make I throw away. Now so it be to ordinary Yoruba man to Igbo man. Forget say we live together, we marry Yoruba, Yoruba marry Igbo, Igbo marry Yoruba, Hausa marry Igbo. We there for Yoruba land, Yoruba there for our land. We don't love each other. Me, any Igbo man will understand Yoruba well. We be say in they speak Yoruba well. If they speak Yoruba, Yoruba no go know say be Yoruba. He go hear the truth from Yoruba. If he be as he be Igbo, if he there with the Igbos, let me explain to you my experience. This is my experience. The Yoruba man will see me. He go think say I be Yoruba. We go to talk. If you see me with Igbo people, if me and that Igbo people, maybe in English because I they like to speak English too much. He go talk bad. Know how he go talk bad about the Igbo man. I tell you, as I dey here now, make me and one Yoruba man sit down here. Make one Igbo guy pass here. Make me and I just talk. Make I greet her. Make him know say na Igbo. He must have something to say about him. But in front of him, he will never say. If he give a house, make it stay. If he do business with him, but now manage, they manage him. And this thing not be the fault of this our politician where they here now. All these politicians when I see for Aso Rock and all that, not be their fault. Now waiting they teach them. Now waiting they put inside our minds. We will be Igbo. Now the same thing, you know. If Igbo, me and Igbo man, if me and Igbo man sit down here, Yoruba man pass. If we talk finish, that Igbo man must talk. He must say something about them. He must say how, well maybe one Yoruba man don't offend them before. He go talk about it. You see, let me bring somebody self. Make I not talk too much. Let me bring Ifeanyi. Please, whether you be Igbo or not, send your request. Say your mind. What do you think? Ishola Abe, not the interfere, not the interfere with. What did he say? Ishola Abe, what do you say? Igbo must see themselves as part of Nigeria. My brother, what about the? Come, make you come talk. Send me a request and come and talk. Igbo must see themselves as part of Nigeria. I they call somebody now. You know they come. I go come out and put another person. I'm calling on somebody now. Make I respond to this my brother waiting here. Abe, how long? So Abe, Ishola Abe, Sunday. Make I answer your question. How long do you think Igbo will see themselves as Nigerian before they give international airport there? Because the federal government are the only one that can prove international airports in the eastern part of Nigeria. How long will Nigerian be one as a Nigerian? Since 1960 or even 1914, before they go open the seaport after the World War II, after Biafran War, the seaport has never been opened. Now we the cargo airport, now we the seaport, now we the travel pass. We go from east, bro. Igbo people don't try. You see, make I tell you now, those people will be politicians where they are so they know what they are doing behind. The Igbo people, whether they be governor, whether they be whatever they are just being managed. Forget about people where they agitate for Biafra. Don't worry about them. Now, what will they cry for? Why don't you give us international and cargo and seaport? Do it. All those things where people they cry about, do it. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as it is. Release him. Sit him on the table and negotiate. What you know? Talk here. When you come, they say, Igbo, my brother, you have your own opinion, I respect it, but I have to respond. And if I want to respond, I'm going to respond aggressively because I know, I feel the pain. If I don't go to Abuja, I will not fly internationally. If I don't go to Lagos, I will not fly internationally. Look at where did they take oil? Oil split. I mean, the senior citizen where they that side, all of them they suffer. I beg make we know, make I see who won't come here. I beg. You see, I'm not doing this video because I want to attack anybody. I want to do this video based on what do you think, how Igbo people are being treated. Must they demolish our house in our houses in Lagos to accept that we are Igbo people? Must they destroy our business? Is that how to treat another person?
My brother, I agree with you.
Is there no room? My brother, wait. My brother, yes, man. Give me 2 minutes. Give me just seconds. What is the negotiation? What will happen? Okay. Person with thousands, millions. He buy market and I just come one day, they destroy their things. Are we not one Nigeria? If you see them as Nigerian, talk about relocate them to another place. In this country, there was a day I make a video. There's one big mall here where we send a taxi in a motor rank. The government want to demolish the place. I went to interview people, I make video. The person can't show me the paper, say they want to demolish the place. They come back to government, say, government, where we want make we go? Government can't give them more time. Say, okay, we give you more time to find another place because the place don't expire. Not because they just want to, they say the place don't expire. I say if it fall. Because now, 3-story, motor they climb on top. Thank you, my brother. Go ahead.
My brother, I greet you and I greet every good Nigerian, every good citizen of this country. What thing that happen for this country, I will say that envy and jealousy. People will get mind, go another state, go buy land, build house, get their born people, train their children, do business, establish themselves. They are the only true Nigerians we are talking about. Now then believe it. If they say we are one Nigeria, let them go to another side, buy land, build, establish, born children, and live comfortably. Maybe they know they fool us for this country. Tell them all this way we go wise up. Maybe they know they fool us. Another thing what I want to talk now, our so-called leaders in Igbo land, they don't say themselves when they say they fool us. I want to correct one impression when one of our brothers took here. He said he's ashamed of saying he's an Igbo. No, my brother. You should not be ashamed of being Igbo. Because as an Igbo man, there is something God embedded in you that makes you an Igbo. Any place you are bound to shine as a light. Which other tribes, they can't try you. They don't have it in them. So what I'm saying is this: let us come together as they are saying, yes. Be one. Let our people get our yes. Be yes. Whether you are in Abuja, Lagos, anywhere you are, speak your mind and stand on your ground. If we are having protests, let us have protests, all the Igbos all over Nigeria, with one voice. And say, enough is enough to all this nonsense. Then if they don't want us to be in this country, let them leave us to go. Allow us to go. What is the essence of keeping us? You don't want us to have to do business. You don't want us to do like others. You don't want us in a key position. So what is the essence of keeping us as a Nigerian? If I should come out in a bus stop and say my mind because we are in the democracy, you get me arrested. And every other time you come and talk, they will not get them arrested. So why are we deceiving ourselves? So my brother, please, I'm a serious Nigerian and I'm a good citizen of this country and I'm an Igbo man to the core. I love everybody. What I want to urge our Igbos to do, love your brother. Let us start that love now. I have started it already. I have a small bike I use to go to work with. Anywhere I pass, and I will take that because of the price of fuel. So let us start showing this love to one another. So that the love will circulate. So that we will have plan to move on with one voice. The one voice will come out. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you.
I love you. I love Nigeria. I love good living Nigeria.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Hey, yeah, bro. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, although I've been following you for the past 1 year, but yeah, it is a privilege being on your page today. But what I
Yeah,
want to contribute at first, I'm a Yoruba man, a
yes,
Lagosian, full Lagosian.
okay.
Yeah, and I got married to an Igbo girl from Imo State.
Now you be one Nigeria. Now you be one Nigeria, my brother.
Yes.
Not be person will marry you.
I think February 2022, I got married to my wife, my lovely wife. But the
Wow.
fact now is that, see, at the same time, I am a politician.
Okay, okay.
Yes, and I'm also a public servant in service.
Okay, okay, please.
Yeah. The reason why
I should be politician. I should be politician. Wait, calm down. Now, what happened in Lagos after the election when they say light fire, the Igbo shops were catching fire, whatever, and up till now, later on, the government were demolishing the Igbo business. Do you think it's a coincidence? You are a politician. Tell us.
My brother, let me tell you, I said something on my page today, Facebook page. I said, I'm a Yoruba man, but I love putting on Isiagu. And I started preaching the love that we should stop the idea of tribalism. You know, see, politics is a dynamic game. But the problem majority of us have is that we don't know much about politics, but we decide to divide ourselves during the last election. The Yorubas and the Igbos, we have been together for a very long time. Even during the Biafran War, my papa helped 3 Igbo men keep their houses. The document to their houses, and when they came back, he hand over the rent, give them. So to tell you, say Igbos and the Yorubas, there is this thing, even men looking at me, some people, they see me for our market, they call me Igbo, you know, that Igbo boy, say me I look like them. You know, there's one similarity of civility in the Yorubas and the Igbos, and you can't take that away. You understand? But I wouldn't even tell you, politics is so dynamic. Even during that election, me and my wife get problem for us. You know, when someone just shout for my ear, you know, I be Baptist, I be Tinubu to the core. But on the day of election, everybody go vote who they want vote, and we come back. And when the results come out, when my Tinubu win, we all got ourselves at the end of the day. I don't think I don't even separate me from my wife, even if Biafra Republic happens today. If I like me and she go come back to Biafra land on the state here, or if she choose to stay with me here in Nigeria, we'll stay. So see, one thing is that if we not take tribalism off the way we see ourselves in this country, we will get a lot of problems. Even the government itself no go survive in the nearest future. So let me now talk about the issue of Alaba. The thing, the way bloggers they come on in social media, they misinform people, they eat up the polity. My brother, you know go help anybody. Since 2016, I have the videos. I can even send it to you at the end of the day. It is not helping the polity, my brother, because people just they misinform the public. Some of the guys where they this so-called Alaba International, 2 buildings for them, Yoruba man get them now. Now rentage, all these people boys they rent them. They bring them down. You understand? There is no need of bringing unnecessary. No can they give our people some unnecessary tension. Nothing they Lagos, my brother. See the Lagos they talk about Lagos and no man's land. What did they happen of recent now? I don't tell people, I don't foresee and for long say it will happen. You don't become host community. They hear me. You don't become host community. They so confrontational. Nobody say anybody no get rights. Igbo men contributed over 65% in the development of Lagos. More not lie to ourselves. Nowhere Igbo man enter. Where develop. Go look majority of Lagos State. The new how want to call them? The new communities we just develop. Go look where Yoruba people full and the other tribes. Go look where Igbo people dominate. Then you go not say these people they feel organize themselves even without government. So my point now is this: the issue of Alaba International, they don't eat up the politics. Since 2016, they don't give the people.
Okay. Now I agree with it, Alaba International. What about other places that they put fire on? What happened to that?
My wife don't come back. I don't like baby. So hey, I'm with you, sir. See, the issue of that fire incident, one happened for Akere Market, and that one happened under my local government, for Jegunle. You know, Ajero local government. Someone who gave the marketers 100 million. I will send all the videos and the pictures to you after this program.
I heard about that.
So when they give them 100 million, sir, you know, that very way they give them, and they try to talk to some of them. You guys don't collect this money now. In fact, government, once they give you this money and they move out to you, you're on your own. You see, just tell them you don't need money, may they come build this shop for you. I know that the moment government don't give you this money, don't relieve you. Don't be say they don't want to do this thing, but you know go fast. You know, say me I inside government. I know them. See, the process too long. But that 100 million is more than enough to erect that structure for them. Maybe they sell back for that land. Today now, the structure still there today. Don't be say government don't want to do, but work too much. They know you know the inside budget.
So
but that money where they give to them.
So do you mean that that house where fire burn, where they demolish, they carry money give the Igbos where get that place?
I'm talking of that. And they talk about the Akere market, so I know about.
Yeah.
The one we have for my backyard. Now I they talk about.
So they give them money.
When yes, now about 6 days later, you know that period now election era. The governor came himself that day with the team born, and after 5 days or 6, incoming give them 100 million check. And I know say they don't collect the money. The market, the traders, they don't collect the money. But I was thinking that very day, they talked to one of their secretary. Tell the governor this money, this 100 million, they're going to build a story building for them. Now bungalows, the other building we born now. These people just collect the money. I will not hear anything again. So sometimes, to be good man, they do our findings well. See, we are one Nigeria. Me, I believe. Hello, sir.
Yeah. I will see.
The issue of one Nigeria, we they deceive ourselves because even Igbo man don't like themselves. We know the aftermath of what happened when they give them money. We know some people they nearly lost their life, they nearly kill themselves to share money. Sometimes we know they blame others, we know they look at ourselves. So nobody will not get the point, but I just want to make everybody start to come out now. I don't tell my friends, most especially the politicians. And I was expecting Mr. Governor to come out and speak. That is Sanwo-Olu concerning the misinformation, say that they break Igbo people business or whatever. Many people for Lagos, even the Yorubas on the wise now with all this Igbo, we want to relocate, and they fear for the Igbos. The reason is this: if you leave that place where you don't build for years, for decades, today,
my brother, I don't agree with you. My brother, wait, I don't agree with you.
I think I'm a man of my word. I like my life.
Yeah,
I will talk my own.
Yes, I agree.
Wait, give me I pick here. We say majority of the Yorubas now, we no even get anything that they do for now. They finish school, they don't go school, they're exposed, but they don't get anything they want to do. If Igbo man build a place for two decades, you live there, my brother, don't be surprised. That business where you say nobody feed you, that's electronics where they import. They make my point, I beg. Them say they go important because for Lagosians we don't there, people don't there, the non-Igbos where they here. You don't go fit drag them go east though. Traveling from here go east, go by ordinary TV, no problem. So if you can't build your business finish, instead of you to settle, they do your thing gradually because not be today, not be one day. Rome is not built in one day. If I want to build Alaba International for Aba now, it will still take another 5 years, 10 years. So there are ways to do things gradually so that you not go lose. Sorry, I just talk my own opinion.
Yeah. I agree with you, and I want to respond to that. I want to respond because I want to give other people chance.
Okay, I go to come out now. So in order for you not to eat up the politics, say you just come out all your hard earned work, all the efforts we don't make all these years. You just because nobody if you push Igbo man come out for Lagos except if Igbo man won't come out. Nobody, no tribe. People push Igbo man come out. I know how resilient they are. But if Igbo man voluntarily feel say won't come out for Lagos, other people are willing to tap in to that blessings of the Igbo people. So that is it. Anybody will comment anything, but mine is that I have made my point.
Yeah.
Even if the person wants or whatever, that's it. I've made my point. Thank you, sir.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.